Welcome, dear soul. You've meditated. You've followed the breath. You've sought silence. But today, you are invited to wake up, not in calmness, but in shock. Sounds odd, doesn't it? But the wisdom of the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra is this: the divine is not only in the temple. It is in the sneeze. In the cough. In the moment your cup slips from your hand and shatters. Because in that split second, everything stops. What do you feel in that pause? Not your thoughts. Not your plans. Just raw, pure being. That's the magic we're stepping into today. Let's listen closely to Shiva's words, at the beginning of sneezing, during fright, in anxiety, above a chasm. Suddenly be free. What is he pointing to? Think of the last time you sneezed. Your breath was taken from you. Your body shook. And in that moment, thought stopped. That's the gap. Or remember the last time you were startled by a loud sound. Your body jumped. Your heart raced. And for half a breath, you were just presence. You weren't remembering the past. You weren't planning the future. You were here. Shiva is saying, recognize that. Use that gap. And you will awaken in the most unexpected places. Now we'll go deeper into this through practice. This will be a series of visualized moments. Let them unfold within you. Close your eyes if you feel safe. Let your breath settle. Let the outside world soften. You're reading a book. Warm light on your skin. Suddenly, a sneeze builds inside you. Feel that rising pressure. That building tension. The release, achoo. In that moment, everything stopped. Breathe in now. Hold. Exhale. Stay in the silence after. Feel that clarity. That openness. That's the gap. You're speaking to someone. Suddenly, a cough comes. You pause. You can't talk. The breath escapes. And in that moment, you surrender. Let's breathe together. Inhale. Hold. Exhale with a soft ha. You're not thinking. You're simply being. You're walking. A loud thunder cracks overhead. Your body jumps. You gasp. Now instead of reacting, just pause. Feel the electricity in your body. Let it ground. Stay there. No judgment. Just presence. Breathe. This is what Shiva is showing us. These are not disturbances. They are portals. Let's reflect. Where else does life jolt you? A phone rings unexpectedly. A child suddenly cries. Someone knocks on your door while you're deep in thought. You drop your phone? You slip on wet floor and catch yourself just in time. These tiny shocks are moments of pure awareness, if you let them be. In those moments, you're not the thinker. You're not the controller. You're the witness. And in witnessing, you wake up. Even the act of yawning, yes, can be used. Anything that disrupts the constant stream of thought can set you free. Now the real question is, how do you bring this into your everyday life? Here are 3 small intentions. When you sneeze, don't rush. Pause for one breath. Feel the echo of that moment. When something surprises you, notice your body. Feel your feet. Your hands. Come back to now. When the world interrupts you, smile inwardly. It's your invitation to awaken. Instead of being annoyed by these interruptions, make them sacred. Let every sneeze be your temple. Let every shock be your bell of mindfulness. You don't need more effort. You need more awareness. You've seen now? Even chaos carries stillness. Even a sneeze can open the sky. The divine is not hidden in caves or distant stars. It's in your next breath. It's in your next shock. It's in the pause between thoughts. And if you live this, you become the awakened one in the crowd. You become the temple in the city. You become the stillness in motion. You become the one who never leaves presence. If this touched your heart, if you felt even one quiet moment of presence, please like this video. Leave a comment with your reflection or experience. Subscribe and click the bell, so you don't miss the next sacred doorway. Every time you share this, you help someone else come back to now. And that is the most beautiful gift. Om Shanti. Om Tat Sat.